Let me just hold it like this for you to see this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful data. I love this shoe. It is super cute, guys. If you know me, you know like I do love Swahili sandals. Ingine inuka hivi, let me just like jifunika hivi. Hata mtu akitoa hivi kwa handbag anaweza ona si kitu si kitu mbaya, lakini we ikikuspray hivi kwa macho, my goodness, you're done. I'm wishing you all a happy new year in advance, guys. Hello guys, Merry Christmas guys. Oh my goodness, I hope that mkona Christmas poa. I wish you all a Merry Christmas. I'm from having my breakfast and right now I want to go and wrap my gifts. I've not wrapped the gifts since I got them. Yeah, so I want to go do that and then maybe chill because I've gotten the baby like ready. There's not much to do other than maybe cook. I'm not like walking around with my phone to like vlog for you guys. If you don't get to see much, please bear with me, but I'll try and do my best to show as much as I can. But yeah, Merry Christmas guys. Yo, it's me. I'm back. We are back home, and yeah. So I don't know even what to tell you guys because the last time I talked to you, we were at home and I was talking about how I was going to try and do the Christmas shoot for you guys, but then I don't know, just a lot happened and I think I just like lost track of time and doing the whole shoot and being with the family. I think it's just like took a toll on me and I decided to chill and enjoy my not vacation, enjoy the Christmas with like everyone else. Right now we are back home and I want to try and clean this house by tomorrow because tomorrow is 31st. Yeah, because hey, the house is a mess. Like it is a mess. Everything is just like everywhere. A lot like is happening in this house. And also today like my day bag is coming to do my laundry, so I want to try and do like just do the cleaning before fast. So where will I even start, guys? For the Christmas video that I shot, it's quite short and I'm actually contemplating if I should post it as a reel or as shorts on YouTube, but I don't know. I'll try and figure out and see if maybe maybe I can post it for you guys to see as a normal video, not as a short. So that's what's up. That's like what happened. And right now I want to show you some of the gifts that I got for the Christmas. I'm showing you my gift and my babies too. I've not like seeked consent from my husband, so I'm not going to share his. But yeah, so I don't even know where like I'm gonna put you guys because this house, like when I tell you it looks like a total mess, it is. Anyway, I feel like I'm just rambling and I'm not making sense. So let me show you the gifts and then I'll see if maybe I'll get to post this or maybe I'll attach it to my cleaning video, maybe somewhere in between for you guys to see. But yeah, I hope you had like an awesome Christmas and I'm looking forward to the New Year's and I'm wishing you all a happy New Year in advance, guys. So let me show you the gifts because I feel like I'm just talking. Oh, this is what you were gifted. I'll start with my babies. My babies got this writing tablet. It looks super cute. Let me try and show you how it works. Oh my goodness. So you can draw something. Let me draw what, like a human being there with some hair, yeah, something like this. And then you can just press here to like rub everything, yeah. So and then the next thing is this carton of truffle chocolate. Ziko hivi ni tu chocolate tu, and then ndani ziko na truffles. Yep. Zinakaa hivyo, sidhani kama hata hizi maliza, hizi ni nyingi. Okay, someone is at the door, let me get that. These are what, I don't think it has a name, but I know it is building blocks, this type. Yeah, this type. The bag was quite full, but sahi unaona kakunusu. I'm sure the rest ziko tu huku chini ya viti, zinaanguka chini ya viti. I'll collect them nikifanya cleaning. And then the next thing is this sort. It's a 150 piece art set. Let me just open it for you guys to see. Oh my goodness, kuna some stuff zenye zimeanguka, but let me just hold it like this for you to see. I don't know if unaona, do you see like this side? My goodness, kuna some stuff zinaanguka, but I'll collect them. So iko hivyo, and then on the other side pia iko hivyo. Like I don't think if I'll ever get to buy like colors, crayons for, I don't know, I think for quite some time sitanunua. Even akienda like shule atakuwa anatumia tu hizi. Hey manze, ni mop. Thank you to everyone who gifted her something. Yeah. What else? I think I'm done with my babies, because let me see. Let me just double check. 1, 2, 3. I think that's all for my baby. So let me show you mine. I'll start with myself. So I got myself this beautiful dera. This beautiful dera. I'm in love with like floral or maybe colorful deras. I want to get more of these, like with color. Yeah, so I got this shoe. You see, I love this shoe. It is super cute, guys. Oh my goodness. Nimeivaa like since I got it, nimeivaa like once. Ndio maana unaona like huku kuna uchafu, but I'll try and I'll clean it maybe later on. Yeah, but I got these inakaa hivi. Let me just chungulia kama the camera is recording. Yeah, it's okay. So if you know me, you know like I do love Swahili sandals. So hii nitaitumia proper. Yeah, ndio hiyo. Inakaa poa sana. Oh my goodness. And then what else? What else? Hii nilikuwa nimefua, nilifuliwa jana na nguo zingine. Inakaa hivi, let me just like jifunika hivi. Yeah, I think nimejifunika poa. Inakaa hivyo. But before ifuliwe ilikuwa imeshika rangi like sana. So I think ilimwaga, cause actually mwenye alifua aliniambia ilimwaga sana. But yeah, iko hivyo. The next thing is this. This is not a lipstick, guys. For those who don't know, this is not a lipstick. This is a pepper spray. And oh my goodness. Another thing that nilikuwa nasema, if I get money or if maybe I come across it, like I'll get it, it is this pepper spray. I'll put this in my handbag, like nitakuwa tunatembea nayo everywhere. Yeah, so I'm trying to be careful with it because inawasha. Yeah, so pepper spray, actually it looks so cute yani. Hata mtu akitoa hivi handbag anaweza ona si kitu. Si kitu mbaya, lakini we ikikuspray hivi kwa macho. Hey. Ama on your face. Oh my goodness, you're done. And then my last thing, I think this is the last thing. The last thing is this. So I'm thinking of getting tule tu pampas grass tudogo. Kuna utu tu pampas grass tudogo tunakuanga colored. Yeah, like a few pieces, and then nizieke hapa na nizieke hapa katikati ya meza. I want to use it like a deco piece. Yes, it looks so cute. That is the only thing like I can come up at the moment with, because I don't think if kuna kitu ingine naweza tumia kufanya. I think I'll use it as a deco piece, put some pampas grass, niweke hapa kwa dining table. I hope mtoto wangu atavunja. I'm just hoping. But sidhani kama atashika. It looks so cute, guys. Oh my goodness. So, and it has some glitters. I don't know if you can see, it has some glitters. Zina shine. So cute. So, I think I'm done. I don't think kama kuna kitu nimeacha. I think I'm done. So thank you so much for watching. Yeah. I don't think kama kuna kitu nimeacha. In case kuna kitu nimesahau, I'll put it at the end of the video, or maybe in the next video. But I think ni zote. Actually, I don't think kama kuna kitu nimesahau. Yeah. Thank you so much.